Hello friends, in this video we will understand how to use must in present, past and future. Must is used for two different things. Must is used for obligation and must can also be used for deduction. Obligation means something which is necessary to be done. In deduction, we make a guess about something. Had to, must and must are the forms of must. We use had to in the past and must in the present and must in the future when we want to express compulsion, obligation. Okay, must have, must and will are the forms which are used when we make a deduction, when we guess about something. Okay, must have is used in the past, must in the present and will in the future. Now let's look at the examples for the words of the first row. I had to go to school on foot. You must respect your parents. You must go to Delhi next week. Now let's look at the examples for the words in the second row. He must have completed his homework by now. He must be hungry because he hasn't eaten anything since morning. He will go to Delhi next week. Must of the first row. The word must of the first row can be used in negatives and interrogatives as well. You must not insult your parents. You must not go to Delhi next week. Must we respect our parents? Must he go to Delhi next week? These are correct sentences. But must and must have of the second row cannot be used in negatives and interrogatives. But we can use will in negatives and interrogatives. So these sentences are incorrect. He must not be hungry. He must not have completed his homework. Must he be hungry and must he have completed his homework. But we can express the same meaning with cannot. In place of must not, we can use cannot to express the same meaning. He cannot be hungry because he has eaten food recently. He cannot have completed his homework. And if you think the video was helpful to you, please like and share it. And if you are on the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.